your new hire is ready to complete his Form I-9 employment verification process. And when they complete Section 1, they noted that they are a legal permanent resident. That is wonderful. When you get ready to complete Section 2, which is your part, when you're verifying the identity and the work authorization of this new hire, they give you their valid driver's license and a restricted Social Security card. My name is Giselle Carson. I am a business, immigration, and compliance attorney, and I am here to help you answer what to do when, or can you accept actually, if the new hire gives you or says that they're a legal permanent resident in Section 1, can they give you different documents when you're ready to complete Section 2, being the driver's license or the Social Security card, or do they have to give you a legal permanent residency card? And this is the easier of the two questions that we're going to talk about. So the answer to that one is yes, they can give you, they do not have to give you the same document that they noted in Section 1. As long as it's a valid List A or List B and C documents, they can give you anything that is valid under the list of acceptable documents for you to verify their identity and work authorization under Section 2. Now, the next piece of this is what happens if that Social Security card that they gave you is a restricted Social Security card. And let me explain what I mean by a restricted Social Security card. There are some Social Security cards that I'm sure you have seen that are annotated. And sometimes they say there's 3 different versions of this, so I'm just going to read them out for you. They say not valid for employment, or valid for work authorization only with INS authorization. Those are the old Social Security cards. And valid for work authorization with DHS authorization. Those are the newer Social Security cards. So these restricted Social Security cards are typically given to people that have restricted work authorizations based on restricted time, restricted employers, etc. Particularly those on work visas, H-1Bs, L-1s, TNs, any of those non-work visas will have restricted Social Security cards. Also, some foreign nationals that are on F-1, international student status, OPT, EADs, will have restricted Social Security cards. So those Social Security cards that are restricted cannot be used as a valid List C document. So what do you do in the case that someone checked their legal permanent residence under Section 1, and here you are in the section where you're verifying the documents and they give you the driver's license and the restricted Social Security card? So you cannot accept the restricted Social Security card. So you would give the card back to the new hire. You would give them the list of acceptable documents and you would let them choose whether they will give you a List A document or they can give you a different List C document from that list. Most likely what happened in this situation is that they obtained their legal permanent resident status and thought or didn't know that they had to update their Social Security status with the Social Security Administration. So it would be a matter of them going to a Social Security office or call them, connect with them, and just make sure that they get the Social Security card updated. So hopefully they'll have a legal permanent resident card to present to you as an alternative document. And in that case, you can use that as your List A document. Now, as a bonus question, because I also get this question asked a lot, so that legal permanent resident card is valid currently when you hire that person, but they have an expiration date. So do you need to verify that card when it expires? The answer is no. This is one of the exceptions that you do not need to re-verify a green card or legal permanent residency card that is valid when they give it to you. So you're done with that I-9, you can put it away, and one less thing for you to worry about in the future. Hope this is helpful to you. Thank you for tuning in, and look forward to my next video on I-9s. Take care. Bye-bye.